Marginal profit is probably a term that we don't encounter a lot unless we take business classes, but marginal profit is talking about how much more money we make for just one increase or one decrease of a certain product. Usually we think of it in terms of one increase of a product. In other words, what we want to do is we want to create a function for the profit, take the derivative, and then plug in 240 in for x, because that's going to tell us how much the profit is changing at this point when we have 200 soldering irons or whatever that is. Okay, so let's see what they give us. P is the price per dollars per iron. So this is the price for one iron. Here, let's make a function f of x. That's the profit. Okay. So we have 802 minus 0.2x. That's the cost for one item, but we want to multiply that by x because x is the number of soldering irons or whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. And then C is the cost of producing X soldering iron. So we don't need to multiply the C function by X because this is the cost of producing however many soldering irons you're talking about. So C, I need to protect in parentheses because I'm subtracting the whole cost. I'm subtracting 870 plus 87X. And this represents our profit. So if we distribute this, this is going to be 802X minus 0.2x squared minus the distribute that negative sign, 870 minus 87x. And so when we combine like terms, the 715x. I didn't put it in descending powers. I should have done that. But that is the function that tells us the profit. Now they want the marginal profit, so that means they want to know how much is it changing at a certain point for for 240 soldering irons. So let's first find the derivative using the power rule, and then they want to know what the derivative is at 240. So how fast is the profit changing, the marginal profit, when we're producing 240 of these items? Okay, so if we do 240 times 0.4, 715 subtracted by that amount, that makes 619. So looks like the profit is positive, so it's increasing by $619 for each increase in one X, each increase in one soldering iron.